Should I read that again? In every nation, he that feareth him and worketh righteousness is accepted with him. Acts 10:35. This is the promise that he hath promised us, even eternal life. 1 John 2:25. This is the promise that he has promised us, even eternal life. 1 John 2:25. Those are my scriptures for today. And I hope everyone, I have to drain all the juice because I'm going to need it later. Let me get most of the juice out of here.
She's straining the juice because she's going to need it. All the juice for the cake. And this is this is 20-ounce can, y'all, with pineapples. 20-ounce can of pineapples. Crushed pineapples.
I'm going to use the juice later, but I'm still trying to get it out. I think I'm going to use the other regular. Or you going to use this one like a
You will.
Okay. I have this is just a regular box of cake mix, but we took them out of the packages to put them in a storage bin, so I won't take up so much room in the pantry. Our pantry is so small.
So yeah, she got one cake, one regular size cake of box mix. I mean, she got one size box of cake mix. Lord, I hate to see somebody eat a box. Okay, DJ. That was funny. She's making a 2-ingredient cake, a pineapple cake. She's making a pineapple cake. Okay. Okay, and this is the juice out the can.
I was going to use a larger bowl and I forgot. I'm pouring a little bit at a time because I could have used a larger bowl. And I didn't want to splash everywhere, so I'm using a smaller bowl. So I decided to use a little bit at a time, pour a little bit at a time. Y'all, it's very easy. All you have to do is the box of cake mix and whatever kind of fruit that you're going to have.
Hey Joe, 704 Joe. Say hey, beautiful Miss Lena's. Thank you for telling me to like hit the like button. Lord have mercy. Where's my? That's a 20-ounce can of crushed strawberries.
You know, strawberry.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Pineapples.
Pineapples. Ah.
Yeah, let me see now.
Okay, y'all. So that's all you need to do. That's 2 ingredients. I think you need a taste tester.
I'm trying to make sure it's all at the bottom.
Yeah, you need a taste tester. Here, let me taste a little bit of the cake mix. I'm like a little kid.
Who said you need a cake tester?
You need a cake mix test to make sure it tastes right.
See, y'all, you know what? If it was eggs in it, she couldn't taste it, though.
Right. She making pineapple cake. 2 ingredients pineapple cake.
Spray the bottom.
Here, show it again over here. Show it again on this one.
Huh?
Show it again on this camera.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Well, if I had some way to go out and buy dinner every day, I'd go out and buy dinner every day. So, honey, this cooking is a booger bear. I don't know if I didn't cook that way. I don't know. Now, while it's hot anyway, and it's too hot to cook. Tell Karen, it's too hot to cook. I don't blame her. I wish I knew somebody was cooking. I'd let go over there and eat too. While it's hot. When it cool off, it's okay. Comment.
Okay, y'all. She's putting it in the pan now.
Yeah.
Okay. I got the bowl. Yeah, Carol, me and her both need a part-time job.
Yep, we need a part-time job, baby. If you know who's hiring, you better tell me.
She's putting it in the oven, y'all, for on 350 for 50 minutes. Oh, boy. Well, she did. Y'all know she did. Yeah, this is a cake. If y'all make the cake at home, make it in the rectangular butt pan, not the round one, but the round cake pan, but the rectangle. That's a little smaller than what she used. Y'all hear the cake? Just came out the oven. So we're gonna let it cool to put the frosting in. Okay, y'all, she's frosting the cake. Running the other tape for the video. I always like the name Samantha myself. You can call yourself Maddie. You can call yourself Sam. You can call yourself Thug if you want to. It would be nice, Redbird, if they sponsor her. But they looking for people with big views, and they got thousands of views. I know people like that. They do sponsor people. I watch it all the time, Miss T. Sometimes when it's come on now, if I can find it, I watch it.
What's that?
Bewitched.
Huh?
Bewitched.
Bewitched. Okay. It should have had a little bit more cake flour on it. I mean, not no cake flour, but a little bit more powdered sugar. I took the spatula and put it over there. It's all right. I ain't gonna go back and get it. All right, I just made this one like this, the long cake.
Yeah, the cake cuts kind of like this, I guess, because it's the cake kind of a little wet, but it's so good. Y'all don't worry about how it looks. Worry about how it tastes. Worry about how it tastes.
This is just a very good, quick thing that you can do in a hurry and have something for you to fix it up in about while you're cooking the other part of your dinner or whatever. You can take this, and by the time you finish your other dinner and ready to serve the table, it'll be ready for dessert time. But now, this is the second one that I've made, and this is better than the first one that came out. This is someone else gave me the recipe to do this. But I really do love it. So
thank you for the recipe, MS. We appreciate you so much, MS, for the recipe. That's awesome.
It is very delicious. And it is off the chain.
Yeah, this cake is so good. Y'all please make this recipe. It's so good.
Like I said, if you don't make it with pineapple, do it with whatever kind of fruit can you like. But whatever you use, it only take 1 can. But it's very good. And I want you all to try it. So thank you all. That's on the video. And this is thank you so much for Miss Lena's Kitchen. A 2-item cake that you can make. Very easy, very quick. Can of fruit and a can of cake mix. That's all you need. A 350 oven and beat it up till it's nice and fine. Okay? That's it. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day and a blessed week. All of you that's on the video. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.